What is going on, everybody? It is Stacy G80, and right now I'm just gonna do a little sound check. Nothing crazy, but I mean, I'm still stock. I plan on modifying the car, getting an exhaust that I'm gonna get, either European or a different one, but more than likely I'm gonna do what I gotta do. Not doing a nice pull because I'm waiting for a nice little turnaround spot like right here. Basically, I'm gonna try my best to post more videos like this, or if not, whenever I get my other Insta360, I'm gonna have the POV as well as that point of view shot. But for now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, a little sound check. Granted, it's stock. I just wanted to do a quick little stock video of like me doing a couple rips here and there, so that way when I do get the set exhaust that I want to get, you guys can be able to tell the difference between the stock exhaust compared to the exhaust that I want to get. Granted, it's gonna be a big difference, but at the end of the day, I still wanted to provide that content for you guys.